Come, my little friends, as we all sing a happy little working song.
I need to talk to him today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Pek kardeş gibi. Abla pek kardeşe benzemiyor ama.
Came home early to surprise my girl with a bubble bath for Valentine's Day. What the hell?
Whoa, damn your girl so fine, but her breath is like whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Whoa.
Okay, pause.
Hey, yo, buddy, can I have some of that sparkling water, fool?
Was that a pretzel? I didn't know you was that flexible.
Man, look at that.
You like this?
Oh, yeah.
Get your ass back.
Just say hi. What do you think? You scared? You scared? No, we're not growling. Stop that. No.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
Whoa.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Sa laki nit. दो मिनट रुक